Today I'm going to go over Hydranet's Alpha Build Wallet and DEX. At wallet.hydranet.ai, you'll come to a Create New Wallet tab. From here, you will see your seed phrase, and you can input a password. As the node is syncing, you'll see Lightning Network, Lithium Network, and Watchtowers all going from disconnected to connecting status, and then finally connected in green. Once that occurs, you'll see a list of your assets in your Wallet tab. From here, you can go to receive on chain, and you will copy your address. You can do this with all the assets. Go over to our Discord. We have a faucet, input the address, choose the asset that you want to send, and you can come back to your wallet after that's done, and I'll show you how to do the next step. Okay, I've already started to transfer my Bitcoin off chain. Let's continue on with Ethereum. Transfer off chain. You have a maximum amount. Just follow those. And you can do this with each of the assets just to get yourself ready to do some trading off chain. Once I get all these off chain, I will continue on and show you how to rent some channels. Okay, so now as you can see, the majority of my funds are now off chain. Go to our channels tab, you can see everything is operational, and you can rent a channel now for whichever asset you'd like to receive. So if I want to receive HDN off chain, and whatever you want to pay your fee in, I'll just pay it in HDN, confirm. And that's exactly how you rent your channels. You can do it with whatever asset you would like, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC. So I'm going to go ahead and rent some channels and come back and we'll do some swaps. Okay, so now I have my channels rented, as you can see. Bitcoin, can send, can receive, so I can trade freely now. If I want to swap to USDC for some HDN, this is a cross-chain swap from Ethereum to Arbitrum. If I want to swap Bitcoin to Ethereum, and there you have it. So let's go over and look at liquidity provisions now. Next, we're going to look at liquidity. In order to create a position on the Hydranet DEX, you're going to need to choose a trading pair. An lower boundary and an upper boundary. This is the current price. How much you would like to provide. You can see your can receive and your can send balance, and I'm within the parameters, so I will confirm. Confirm liquidity position, and just like that, I have created a liquidity position on the Hydranet DEX, and I will earn fees associated with the trading of that. Let's go back through and look at what we've done so far. We have received funds. We've transferred funds from on-chain to off-chain. You can also send funds on-chain or off-chain without network fees. We've managed our channels and our rentals. We've done some swaps. We've looked at our transaction page. Also, any fees associated with your liquidity position will show up here. And we've created a liquidity position on the DEX. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and have fun on the Hydranet Alpha build.